Hey guys, so today I found a Pabst Blue Ribbon Chinese edition beer. You can take a look, PBR. And I thought it would be fitting if I showed you how to open this beer with chopsticks. So let's go ahead and start. How to open a PBR with chopsticks. Now what we're gonna do is get the chopsticks. You're gonna get the blunt side of the chopsticks, the thicker side, not the pointy side. And what you want to do is use them both like this, hold it like this. Then you squeeze the beer bottle, the neck of the beer bottle. Then you squeeze the neck of the beer bottle. Open your two fingers here. And we're gonna make a pulling motion like this. And the chopsticks are essentially gonna be acting like a lever. So let's go ahead and try. So once you get the chopsticks, you wanna put them inside the cap, at the bottom of the cap, and then we're gonna squeeze and pull at the same time, and then so it's gonna create a lever. All right, let's go ahead. 3, 2, 1. There we go. How to open a beer with chopsticks. PBR Chinese edition.